In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and customize the shipping rates calculator in the Dawn theme using the theme editor. This is the easiest way to add a shipping cost estimator to your storefront, and it's available in newer versions of the Dawn theme. If your store is using Dawn, you'll be able to do this directly from the Shopify theme editor without touching any code. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From the sidebar, open Online Store, then choose Themes. Here, locate your Dawn theme. If it's your live theme, it will be at the top. If not, you'll find it under your theme library. Click Customize to open the theme editor. At the top of the editor, you'll see a drop-down that lets you switch templates. Choose where you want the shipping calculator to appear. Most stores prefer the cart template, so customers can estimate shipping before checkout. You can also place it on a product template to let shoppers check costs while browsing a product, or switch to a specific page if that's part of your workflow. Pick the template that best matches when you want customers to see and use the estimator. Once you're on the right template, look to the left-hand sidebar and open Theme Settings. Scroll to find the Shipping Rates Calculator. Toggle it on to enable it. You'll see options to customize the text, layout, and defaults. Adjust the labels and help text so the instructions are clear to your audience. Set any default country or region that makes sense for your market, and match the styling to your brand for a consistent look. Keep the input simple. Customers should be able to enter a postal code, city, or region quickly and get a result without confusion. Use the live preview on the right to confirm where the calculator appears and how it behaves. Switch to mobile view to check spacing and readability on smaller screens. If your store serves multiple regions, test with a few sample postal codes to make sure the results display as expected. When everything looks right, click Save in the top right corner to publish your changes to that template. If you don't see the Shipping Rates Calculator option in Theme Settings, you may be on an older version of Dawn. In that case, consider updating your theme so this feature is available in the editor. That's it. You've enabled and customized the Shipping Rates Calculator using the theme editor, giving your customers quick, transparent shipping estimates right where they need them.